Hello there, Alistair here from the de Havilland Aircraft Museum. When you come to see us, you will be able to sit inside one or two of our aeroplanes, and this is one of the ones that you can actually climb inside and go inside and take a seat inside the aircraft. It's a de Havilland DH.114 Heron aircraft. Now it's a four-engined small feeder airliner from the 1950s. It was developed as a four-engine version of the company's very successful two-engine Dove aircraft, which we'll look at in a later post maybe, it was designed around basically ruggedness and simplicity so that it could operate from small airports, maybe grass airfields, things like that. No complicated engineering in it, fixed undercarriage originally, and simple engines, and that was the Heron. It sold very well. It was a slightly more developed form eventually. I mean, it had a retractable undercarriage and different engines eventually, but it was still a very simple, rugged, go anywhere type of small airliner. If possibly you flew to the Channel Islands in the 1960s on a small airliner, this is the type of airliner that you might have flown on, because they were used for domestic internal services and short haul services by a lot of small British airlines. Also used by a lot of airlines around the world. Also used by the military, the Royal Air Force and the Royal Navy both flew them, generally as executive transports for high-ranking officers, and companies, civilian companies used them too for exactly the same purpose, for executive transports to fly executives up and down the country. This particular one was used by the Rolls-Royce Aero Engine Company, and it saw many trips in and out of Hatfield over the years, so it's no stranger to this particular area. As I say, you can come in, you can have a look at it, you can come and have a look round. Unfortunately, because it's one of our aircraft that we have to keep outdoors, it's not in absolutely pristine condition anymore, which is a great shame. It was restored to beautiful condition several years ago now, about 10 years ago, by a great team. Really, it does need a little bit of work doing to it now, but we will have that in hand when we reopen and get some money, and we'll have it looking spick and span once again, I'm quite sure of that. But in the meantime, when we reopen, you too can come along, take your ease, take a seat just as I'm doing. There's a little cockpit in front of me, there's a little drinks cabinet behind you. It's empty, I have to assure you of that, but do come and enjoy the rather quirky interior of our lovely de Havilland Heron aircraft. Meanwhile, hope you enjoyed that. Stay tuned, stay safe, stay well. See you again soon.